In essence, Shardbet is Polymarket all in one place. And why you need to know that, because they're focusing on four foundational pillars for their product. The first one is privacy by design, and the idea that they use a shard router in order to encrypt metadata from transactions of your wallet, say on MetaMask, before it hits Polymarket. While this is important for anonymity, of course, so data stays yours, as they put it. The second part is very interesting, and it's called the module terminal. So the idea of the module terminal is that when you are more experienced, you start to understand what data is, let's just say, not actionable for you. So in this case, you can build your own trading dashboard on chart. So for instance, if we go to World Cup winner, you can see that on chart, all the widgets are customizable. So I can add whatever I want, how I want, and build it out of the widgets that the shard has. So as you said, you can create your own custom template number one. Then you just go to info cards, right? Everything is customizable. Like you can put charts here for no, for yes, for weeks, as you see it. You can spend some times investing into it and then have a very good looking personalized dashboard for your trading. The third thing of their pillar is the DeFi yield. And when we had an interview with Shard, we understood that they're doing something very amazing. They are connecting beginners with the DeFi tools. And currently, they have four DeFi protocols that'll help you make money from your free USDC on Polygon, the Polymarket USDC, I mean. As a beginner, it maybe is not interesting for you, but we covered this in the school, and one of the biggest risks that you have. So when you have free money, and in this case, it could be USDC or PUSD staying there between connecting any trades, they're just like left without making any yield. So in this case, when you're making more trades and you have free available money, stable coins, you can deposit it and make your money. So is to cover is the partner section. So when we had an interview with Shard guys, they said that their idea is to build an incubator, or actually a distribution engine for new projects building around Polymarket from their terminal. So it's a pretty nice initiative, and currently they have 9 partners already. They actually work very fast, and partners are being added day to day. So definitely this is a very nice source for finding new promising projects that will help you build your edges on Polymarket.